Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Hey everybody, what's going on? Jason here, and welcome back to the channel on this episode of working on junk mowers once again, which is every episode. But hope you're doing well, and gonna look at this TROYBILT that I picked up for free and see if we can get it running, see what's going on with it. But let's get to it. So this is a TROYBILT horse riding mower I picked up for free last week. It actually doesn't look too bad. It's got 4 tires holding air, and it's not even all rusted to pieces. Paint's a little faded, but it's got a 23 horsepower twin cylinder Kohler, and being towed by the tow truck John Deere 318 with a 3-point. And we're just gonna let that down so I can get the hood open, I guess. Yep, Kohler Courage here, 23, and gotta have a lot of courage to own one of them or to buy one of them. But well, I think it'll turn over, but I think the starter might be engaged. Got any gas? Yeah, it looks like we got a 3/4 tank of gas. Oh yeah, that was worth it for picking it up for free right there. Good looking seat. Got an air filter in there, yeah. No battery. Check the oil. Yep, we got oil in there. Doesn't even look too bad. So I got a deck with it, 50-inch deck. And anyways, we're gonna see if it'll run, see what's going on. Looks like we got some spare parts there, pulley, and I don't know, everything looks to be on down here, I think. Oh, maybe that pulley is missing, I don't know. Electric clutch. But I'm gonna get a battery hooked up to it and see what'll happen. So I just got the jump box hooked up to it, and this thing even came with a key. That's I hear carburetor solenoid clicking, I believe. Put the brake on and see if it does anything. That's not the brake. Alright, nothing. I think the solenoid's bad. You know what, we're just going to jump it straight to the starter here. Eliminate all that stuff. So I'm just going to take the positive, stick it on this terminal right here for the starter. Then got your ground. You're just going to ground it wherever looks good. We'll just go right here. Oh, it does turn over. I think that's the starter that doesn't sound the healthiest. I don't know. I'm gonna take this cover off and see what it looks like. So I got that cover off, and this is about what it looks like. Turning it over by hand there. Thought maybe the magnets on the flywheel came off and we're scraping on the underside of the flywheel here for the charging system. But sounds be okay. I think the coil scraping a little bit on that magnet there, but I think the starter's just bad. Maybe I need to get more power. More power. So I got another battery, and what I'm gonna do is I got ground going to there off this battery, and then I'm gonna go positive to ground on this battery. And I'm just gonna take positive and stick it on here. Yeah, that give it some pep. I take that off of there, spray some little carb cleaner in there, and see what happens. Got me a can of carb clean here. Spray it in there, and give it the juice. Give it the beans. Well, it ran for a second, and might continue to run if I put battery going through the electrical system so the carb shut-off solenoid will turn on and therefore run from its own fuel. So guess I need to find another battery, or you know what, let's just give this a go, see if it works. Maybe it won't. That there, stick this here, make sure our key's on. Do hear that carb clicking. Almost. Let's give her a little help. that's reverse. There it is. So yeah, it runs and moves. Definitely smells like something's burning up with that belt. Some rubber burning. Oh, well, Yeah, something's going on there. I think they put the wrong belt on it for sure, but hard to see really what's going on. But, yeah, it does run. Doubt it'll do anything now. Yeah, I need a solenoid. And I think the starter's getting kind of bad too, honestly. But sounds healthy. Show you what the deck looks like. It's down here. There's that junky Cup Cadet from a video or two ago. Took the carb off of it because I needed it. Still sits in the same place. This is the deck. Pretty solid looking still. I mean, obviously you need to touch up the paint here and stuff. How it turns. But yeah, not sure exactly what to do with this mower yet. It's just like a lot of them sitting around here, don't know what to do with them. But yeah. So Troy Bilt, free Troy Bilt horse will start and run. But let me know what you guys think I should do with it. Should I put it back together or just rip this Kohler motor off and put it on something else, or should I just scrap it? But thanks for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed it. Like and subscribe if you want to see more free mowers, garden tractors, all that kind of stuff resurrected, worked on, and talked about. And we'll see you next time.